Hello everyone, my name is Ian from Content.ad. Today we're going to look at the Bid by Domain module for advertisers. This module is used to optimize and scale your campaigns on a domain ID level and can be accessed by either one of two ways from the Campaigns tab within your user interface. First, you can select this gray drop-down arrow next to your campaign and click Bid by Domain, or you can click on the orange Bid by Domain lettering under your default CPC bid. Let's start by looking at some of the header options available to you. In the top left, you can select and organize your data by device. If your campaign is set to only one device, such as this test campaign, which has been set up for mobile, the device will automatically default to the device that you have set the campaign up for. Next to that, we can search for specific domain IDs. Then we can also organize the data by all of the domain IDs that currently have spend, or only domain IDs that we have set custom CPC bids for. In the top right of the module, we can reset all of our custom CPC bids to their default value from the previous campaigns page. We can also organize the data by a preset date range that we have set up for you, or a custom date range that you set up for yourself. Let's look at the last 7 days data. Looking at the data columns available, on the left-hand side, you can select all domain IDs on this page to either be able to add them to a block list or remove them from a block list. You can also select specific domain IDs to do the same. It is important to keep in mind that you will need to set up a specific block list for this campaign to be able to assign domain IDs to it. The next column is the custom CPC bid area, where we can input custom CPC bids for this domain ID. Next to that, we have the ad clicks, the spend. If we have implemented the Content.ad conversion pixel, your conversions will populate here, as well as your conversion percentage and your estimated CPA. All of these columns are sortable. Finally, you will have your block list, which is named for the block list that we have created and assigned to this campaign, and will also contain the date on which we have blocked a certain domain ID. Finally, at the bottom right of the module, you can export all of this data to Excel. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to email support@content.ad or contact your account manager. Thank you.